Hi viewers and subscribers, welcome back to our channel. So next we are going to discuss some of the problems competitive examination special. So part 4, the perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 32 centimeters while its equal sides together measure 18 centimeters. Equal sides together 18 centimeters. Then we have to determine each of the equal sides and the third side and each of equal sides we have to determine. So this problem plays very important role. So important MCQ, this one is nothing but so without using pen and paper we are going to do. Okay, orally nothing but here very important for even 7 students. Don't be panicked by seeing the question. Isosceles triangle, nothing but a triangle in which two sides are equal or the two angles are equal. So here the case of only the sides. So perimeter is given, nothing but here it is 32 centimeters and third side is given 18 centimeters. Sorry, sum of two equal sides is given 18. So here to pick up the option here ABCD, nothing but go and add all the three sides. So 14 plus 6 plus 6. So nothing but trial and error we are going to consider here. 6 plus 6 12 and here it is 14 26. So A will does not suit because our perimeter is 32 centimeters. Next 12 comma 7 comma 7, even though it is a this one which triangle, isosceles triangle, this also isosceles triangle, but here perimeter should satisfy. So again here it is not equal to 32. B option is also failed. Next coming to C option, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 16 32. But here we have to check whether C option holds good or not. So let us wait there and go for the D option. So 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 14 32. Now it's a case where we have to check for C and D option. Okay. So now here perimeter is given. First one solution. This is only for your idea I am doing. Actually without pen and paper we can do. So perimeter of isosceles triangle given nothing but 32. So equal sides given. So therefore third side is nothing but it is obtained by 32 minus 18. 32 minus 18 gives you 14 centimeters. Let it be some K. Okay. So now here length of the two equal sides given 18 centimeters. So now therefore equal sides, each equal side nothing but I can go for 18 by 2, nothing but 9 centimeters. So therefore I can say that 9 comma 9 comma here it is 14. Okay, or 14 comma 9 comma 9 in our order. 14 comma 9 comma 9. So which is suited nothing but D option. So in this way we can overcome the anxiety of the problem. It's very important MCQ for 7 students especially. Okay, so go for trial and error method. Each and everything cannot be do with the pen and paper. Okay, so like this. Next coming to our second one. Second one given is the area of the right angle triangle is given 42 centimeters square. If its perpendicular is 10 centimeters, then its base they have been asked. So nothing but area of right triangle or right angle triangle is given by half AB, half into base into height. This is a formula obviously you know very well. Okay, now this implies 42 is equal to half into, if its perpendicular is given 10, so we have to find its base. We have to find its base, perpendicular given 10. So this implies I can write base we have to find, so into 10. So if you observe carefully, this is a linear equation, one variable, simple equation. Already we discussed earlierly, you know very well many concepts. So this implies, now I can write here 42 into 2 is equal to 10b by cross multiplication. So this implies I can write now b is equal to 84 by 10. So nothing but base is equal to 8.4 centimeters. And if you observe carefully, which option is going to suit here? Again nothing but our D option, again here itself the D option. And this is our 14 comma 9 comma 9. So here the base is nothing but 8.4 centimeters. Let us go for the third one now. So please viewers, go through each and every problem carefully. Don't skip the video. Okay, if you watch up to the end, you are going to get the logic, everything. You can understand the problem. So first one is completed. Our second one is completed. First one D option, second one D option, and third one we are going to do now. So it is very important MCQ, the first one, especially the first one. Okay. Next, coming to our here third one, if the altitude of an equilateral triangle is equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle is so and so 5√3 meters, then its side in meters, side of the equilateral triangle we have to find, altitude is given. So when side is given, its altitude is given by the formula. So altitude of an equilateral triangle √3 by 2 into side. So nothing but h is given. So this implies then its side, they asked side, that also in meters, 10 meters, 15 meters, 5 meters or 20 meters, that we have to determine. So this implies h is equal to now √3 by 2 into a. So our h is nothing but 5√3 is equal to √3 by 2 into side. So in the previous video we have gone through the calculation how to do here. If the cancellation is very simple, you can do here itself like this, √3 and √3 get cancelled, or shifting this side it becomes reciprocal, that is a small process. Okay, that too also. So this implies I can write now h is equal to, sorry, our a is equal to 5 into 2, nothing but 10. So side is nothing but 10 meters. So again if you observe carefully, here the option fitted is nothing but 10 meters. For the third problem, A option is suited. So like this we can overcome the anxiety of the problem. So this is the total first one. Okay, important MCQ for all the Olympiads. So just go through the perimeter concept and given equal sides. Third side you will get. Next each equal side, remaining two sides. So by 2 we have to do. Next, coming to area of right angle triangle, perpendicular is given, then we had to find out its base. So by just by cross multiplication, etc. Just substituting linear equation one variable. So this also is just like a linear equation one variable. So here h is equal to √3 by 2 into side, height of an equilateral triangle. So this is a formula, and this plays important step here. Okay, so in this session we have gone through 3 different problems. Okay, right angle triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. So for 7th and 8th students, plays key role this problem once you have the total look. So with this, 4th part of our completed examination special has been completed. So I hope so you like this video. If you feel good, have the symbol, share, subscribe, still those who did not, and comment our S Square Maths YouTube channel. This is your Santosh. See you in the next video session.